So my wife is really loving her tote bag. I love it too. I love the way it looks because it's so durable. Now this is actually made of EVA, so it's super easy to clean and durable. It's really nice thick material. We've got these nice long handles. We've got twist-free buckles right through here. And you can see what the inside looks like. It's just really nice. It holds just a lot of things, whether you're going to the beach, shopping, or the gym. And it also has a little purse in here. It's see-through, and they're actually connected to the back through these holes. So they're not just for looks and design, but they're also useful too. So this can actually be taken out if you need to, if you want to make some more room. The base right down here at the bottom, it's nice and thick. The sidewalls are thick, so it's not going to buckle. So up here, it is flexible, but then when you get down to the base, it's not going to. It's not going to flatten out. So if you did get it dirty, of course, just rinse it off. So this is the medium size, so you can get large and small, and you can see just how much a medium holds. I mean, really, you can really fill this up with a lot of things. And so I'm real happy with it. I love the way it looks. My wife's super happy with it too. And I hope you found this helpful.